What is a dammah? Let's take a look. Boop. Arabic, like English, has vowels. In English we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. In Arabic there are 3: Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra, A, I, U. Dhamma is the vowel that represents the U sound. If we look at the U sound in English, it's made by the letter U. So let's take a look at the word hut. Hut. The U makes the U sound. U. And in Arabic, the U sound is made by using a dammah. So if you ever see this little wow on top of a letter, just know it makes a U sound. Let's take a look at some examples. So I'll just pick some letters off the top of my head. Let's go for a wow. Let's go for a hamza, ya, lam, ha, sin, and a ta. We'll end on a smile. By itself, we know that wow makes a w sound, hamza makes a sound, ya makes a y sound, lam makes a l sound, ha makes a h sound, sin makes a s sound, and ta makes a t sound. Now, if we add a dammah to the top, instead of making a w sound, wow makes a w sound, as the dammah makes a u sound. So wu. Now hamza will make a u sound, ya will make a u sound, lam will make a lu sound, ha will make a hu sound, sin will make a su sound, and ta will make a tu sound. So these letters have transformed now. We've added vowels to them. So instead of wow making a w sound, it makes a u sound. So wu, u, yu, lu, hu, su, tu. Doesn't just have to be with these letters, it's any of the letters of the Arabic alphabet, which we have covered before. If you add a dammah to them, they make a u sound. So let's take another couple of letters. Qaf, I don't know, Sad, Mim, and Fa. So Qaf makes a q, Sad makes a s, Mim makes a m, and Fa makes a f. But if we add the dammah to it, q becomes qu, s of Sad becomes su, the m of Mim becomes mu, and the f of Fa becomes fu. Wu, u, yu, lu, hu, su, tu, qu, su, mu, fu. Any letter, add the dammah to it, it makes a u sound. But that's it from me. I hope you've taken some benefit from this video, inshallah. Don't forget to check out our other videos. But that's it from me. Take care and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama.